I'm on the terrace of room 403 at Six Senses Rome. Wow, look at the terrace. Look at the length of it. There's travertine marble even outside here. And I really am right in the center of Rome. Being here in summer, I could spend all day long out on my terrace. But it's not summer, it's spring. So I'm going to go inside and show you the inside of this very well thought out room. The shears were closed when I arrived, but being me, of course, I wanted them open. There's a false ceiling. I don't know how high the real ceiling is. Can't see it actually. But there are so many fascinating things to see. Look, a living plant as a bedhead light, basically. And a really solid luggage rack. The grey slippers match the colour scheme throughout, as you will see as we tour around. A nice big mat for morning exercises, a lovely sofa for lying on right now. An interesting artwork on the wall. And the welcome. Very healthy things in those jars. I was given 2 of the lids downstairs with my welcome drink, and I thought they were shortbreads. Started to eat them. You can always tell luxury when there is a stopper provided for the welcome bottle. You can also always tell luxury when the bed looks truly, truly inviting with a handmade type throw on it. And I've got 1 USB and a European socket. That does me just fine. Now I want to show you the minibar because it's now, the top is open and it's rather attractive inside. If I close the top, you can see there's a notice saying the minibars all comp apart from the alcohol, and daily replenishments of detox press, digestive press, etc., etc. And as well as the main minibar, there are bottles of wine and F2D china and cutlery. I sound like an estate agent. Let's move on into the bathroom. Again, the travertine marble everywhere, but it fits in with this gorgeous wood, even wood for the garbage pail there. Pretty good lighting over the 2 sinks and a magnifying too. Telephone in here, and the softest grey robes, which are marked for Six Senses, are actually Rivolta Parmigiani. The shower, yes, I can turn it on without getting wet, and sensible height for the toiletries. Here we are, center of Rome, at Four Seasons Rome, looking out at the eternal city.